Hi there. Are you looking for something special today?
Yes, I need a new jacket for work.
What color do you prefer?
I like black or dark blue.
Here are two jackets. You can try them on.
Thanks. Where's the fitting room?
It's behind the mirrors on your right.
This jacket fits well, but it feels a bit tight on the shoulders.
Let me bring a larger size.
Great, thank you. I'll try it again.
Here you go. This is the larger size.
Thank you. I'll try it on now. This one feels much better. It's comfortable.
I'm glad to hear that. It looks great on you.
How much is it?
It's $45, but today we have a 10% discount.
Oh, that's nice. I'll take it.
Perfect. Would you like to pay by cash or card?
By card, please.
No problem. Please insert your card here.
Done.
Thank you. Here's your receipt and your jacket.
Thanks a lot for your help.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too. Goodbye.
Hello. Can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a pair of shoes.
Sure. What kind of shoes do you need?
I need comfortable shoes for work.
What size do you wear?
I wear size 42.
Here are some options. Would you like to try this pair?
Yes, I like the color. Can I try it on?
Of course. The seat is over there.
They feel good, but they are a little tight.
No problem. I'll bring a bigger size.
Thank you.
Here you go. Size 43.
These fit perfectly. They are very comfortable.
Great. They also match well with work clothes.
I like them. How much do they cost?
They are $55, but we have a 20% discount today.
That's a good price. I'll take them.
Wonderful. Cash or card?
Card, please.
Here is your receipt and your shoes.
Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Hello, welcome back. How can I help you today?
Hi. I bought this t-shirt yesterday, but it's too small.
I see. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Would you like to return it or exchange it for a bigger size?
I'd like a bigger size, please.
No problem. What size do you need?
Size large, please.
Let me check. Yes, we have it in large.
Great. Can I see it?
Sure, here you go.
This one fits much better.
I'm happy to hear that. Anything else you need today?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye. Thanks for watching this English conversation for beginners. Practice, repeat, and improve your English. Follow the channel for more simple conversations.